Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice pop popsicles. First, gather your favorite ingredients. You can use fruit juice, pureed fruit, or even yogurt for a creamy treat. Next, choose your popsicle molds and sticks. There are many fun shapes and sizes available, so pick what you like best. Finally, make sure all your equipment is clean and ready to go. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to your delicious homemade popsicles. Now it's time to mix your ingredients. If you're using multiple liquids or purees, blend them well to achieve a consistent flavor. Once mixed, carefully pour the liquid into your popsicle molds. Remember to leave about 1/2 inch of space at the top of each mold to allow for expansion during freezing. Then, gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each filled mold, ensuring it stands upright. With your molds filled and sticks in place, it's time for the freezer. Place them on a flat surface to prevent spills and ensure even freezing. Allow at least 4 hours for them to freeze completely. Overnight is even better for solid results. Once frozen solid, you can easily remove them. Just run a little warm water over the outside of the mold for about 10 to 15 seconds, and your delicious ice pop will slide right out. Now for the best part, enjoying your homemade ice pops. Feel free to get creative with your next batch. Try different fruit combinations, or add small pieces of fruit or even chocolate chips for extra texture and flavor. These treats are perfect for a hot day or a fun snack anytime. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.